Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI and I want to show you a super fun water bottle for your kids. So this does come in all different kind of characters and styles, so for boys and girls so that they can choose what they want. I have the Disney Princess one. This is by Silver Buffalo, and this holds 32 ounces of liquid, which is awesome. It's enough that it's gonna last your kid all day if they're bringing it to school, if you're going to the park. And the best thing about this, it comes with stickers. So you get about 18 stickers, and you're able to create whatever design you want with your stickers and style on your water bottle. That is the fun part. So this is very easy to wash as well. The stickers are gonna stay on for a long time. You do have spare in case they ever do start falling off during the years. This has been amazing for my daughter. It does have the turn spout on top, so it's gonna seal your liquid in there without spilling. You're able to open and close it. There is enough room as well if you wanna stick a straw in there if they're at school. And you also have the amazing holding spot as well to carry it or clip it on if you need to. I absolutely love this water bottle. The fun fact that you're able to have your kid have it fun with the stickers and make their own kind of style, that is really the best part. But that's just my point of view.